Imagine a future where your every decision is anticipated, your every question answered before you even ask, and your every task completed as if by magic. This isn't a scene from a science fiction film. It's the reality Google is shaping with its latest creation, Project Jarvis. Powered by the revolutionary Gemini 2.0 AI model, Jarvis is designed to be more than just an assistant. It doesn't just respond to requests, it acts. This AI, unlike any we've encountered, can make choices, take action, and even anticipate needs before we recognize them ourselves. But as we venture into this new era, pressing questions emerge. Are we ready to surrender this level of control to an AI? What does it mean when a machine understands our desires better than we do? Is this the dawn of a technological golden age? Or are we inching toward a future where we risk losing control over our own lives? While the power of Jarvis is exhilarating, the implications are equally daunting. Once we hand over our decisions to a system this powerful, can we ever go back? And if an AI like Jarvis becomes integral to our daily routines, will we be creating something too embedded to challenge, too essential to criticize? Is an AI powerful enough to manage our digital lives, also too powerful for us to control? At the heart of Project Jarvis is Gemini 2.0, Google's most advanced AI model to date. Unlike traditional AI chatbots or virtual assistants that respond to your questions, Jarvis takes action and can use your computer to actually perform tasks, almost as if it were sitting in front of your screen. Imagine it handling all those time-consuming tasks you do online every day. Searching for information, comparing prices, booking flights, filling out forms. Jarvis does it all, instantly. What makes Gemini 2.0 different is that it combines two powerful AI methods, a transformer model and a mixture of experts approach. In simple terms, this setup allows Jarvis to choose the smartest, most efficient approach to handle a task in real time. It's like having a team of specialists working together to get things done as quickly as possible. But here's the big question. Do we really need an AI that actively controls our browser? Aren't virtual assistants and chatbots already helpful enough? The answer may surprise you. This new generation of AI isn't just here to give us answers. It's designed to carry out actions, transforming how we interact with technology. Google's Jarvis is pushing the boundaries of what an AI assistant can do. Let's take a real-world example. Say you're trying to book a flight. Normally, you'd open a few tabs, compare prices, enter your details, and double-check everything before booking. Now imagine you simply tell Jarvis, "Find me a flight to New York this Friday." It searches for flights, compares options, and fills out the forms for you all without you lifting a finger. That sounds convenient, right? But if we let AI assistants like Jarvis take on these tasks, are we also giving up a part of our control? Giving Jarvis control over tasks also means giving it access to a lot of our personal information. Jarvis would learn your browsing habits, your search preferences, even your sensitive details like credit card numbers or passwords. Handing over this much control to an AI is tempting, but are we really prepared for what comes next? And here's another concern. What if something goes wrong? Imagine if a hacker gained control of your Jarvis. Suddenly, they wouldn't just have access to your data. They'd have control over your online actions. Or what if Jarvis misinterprets your commands or even starts making decisions on its own that don't align with your best interests? If an AI becomes truly autonomous, can we ever fully control it? Google plans to test Jarvis with a select group at first, giving them time to improve the model and strengthen security. But this kind of control requires a huge amount of trust, and we need to ask, are we ready to place that level of trust in an AI? Project Jarvis isn't just designed for tasks like booking flights. Google is also exploring ways it could transform our online shopping. When you search for something, like a winter jacket, Jarvis could take your location into account and suggest options suited to your environment. This might sound helpful, but it raises a crucial point. Jarvis isn't just helping you shop, it's learning your preferences, your habits, your lifestyle. It's learning who you are in a way that few people even realize. Every click, every scroll, every purchase is building a digital profile. So we have to ask, how much is convenience worth if it means handing over more of our privacy? What we're seeing isn't just an experiment, it's a new vision of the future. Tech companies like Google, Apple, and Microsoft are all racing toward an era where digital assistants like Jarvis take on complex tasks far beyond what we're used to with today's chatbots. But with every step forward, we need to ask ourselves, how far are we willing to let them go? Google is breaking new ground with a try-on feature, an AI-driven tool that allows users to see how clothes might look on a virtual version of themselves. Using sophisticated artificial intelligence, Google can map clothing directly onto a digital likeness of you, offering a hyper-realistic preview of how an outfit will look, fit, and drape, all without stepping foot into a store. It's a revolutionary development in online shopping, but it also raises questions about how we engage with our own digital representations. As the line blurs between our digital and physical selves, a question looms. Where do we draw the line between what is real and what is digitally crafted? To address privacy and transparency concerns, Google plans to clearly label photos that have been digitally altered by AI. This disclosure will let users know when an image has been enhanced or modified, so they can differentiate between what's real and what's artificial. Yet as AI becomes more advanced, it raises the question, what happens when these digital alterations are so seamless and lifelike that we can no longer distinguish the real from the fake? When our senses and perceptions are being increasingly shaped by hyper-realistic digital experiences, could it reshape how we view ourselves and the world around us? Beyond the visual marvel of AI-driven try-on technology, there's also a substantial financial angle. Major tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Apple are investing hundreds of billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. This level of investment isn't just about enhancing products. It's about building a future in which AI is woven into the fabric of our everyday lives, making it indispensable. These companies are betting on AI to handle everything from shopping and browsing to managing the core of our digital interactions. Or are we potentially unlocking a door that could prove difficult, if not impossible, to close once fully open? This period marks a pivotal moment in the history of technology and humanity. On one hand, AI promises unprecedented efficiency and convenience, could even begin to overshadow it. It's a world we're racing toward, and whether we're ready to cross that threshold may be the defining question of our time. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are we moving toward a future of unprecedented convenience, or stepping into a world with risks we can't yet fully understand? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest in AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay informed. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and question everything.